Hello everyone, I am Carla Valentina Armeo. I come to explain my scene number 2. Let's go. What is a dialect? In language, the word dialect is used to refer to the different variants of the realization of the same language, especially geographical or regional variants. What is a dialect in Colombia? In Colombia es antioqueño, paisa, santandereano, tolimense, huilense, cundiboyacense, llanero, andino. Regarding the dialect classification of Colombia, Luis Flores 1961 proposed 7 dialect zones delimited by the combination of the main phonetic features and lexical isoglots. Thank you for paying attention.